Hello my friends and welcome to the channel. Today I want to tell you about very interesting device, about these intelligence glasses, Meta Ray-Ban. I think they are pretty stylish. Ray-Ban is a company that produces glasses something like more than 50 years and they know how to do it. And Meta, I think they did right that they collaborate with someone who know how to do stylish glasses, and they just makes these glasses smart. So these are smart glasses that can do many interesting stuff. If you're working with video, if you're working with photo, these glasses are must-have for you. If you are just a person who likes to walk, person who likes to go somewhere, visit some new places, meet some new people, and also you can take it to vacation, they're very nice. And today it's not a review because I know that you're watching this video because you already watched much videos about Meta glasses and you already know all the specs. And if you don't know the specs, I will put it here for a few seconds to the screen that you can stop video for a moment and look at the specs. I will tell you just my impressions of these glasses. At first, what is intelligent glasses for me? let's take. I'll take to explain you. I'll take a scale from 0 to 10. Okay, let's take a scale from 0 to 10, and to 0 I will put glasses just with cameras. Yeah, just with camera. You can buy these glasses, I think, on Amazon or somewhere else. It's Chinese, and they can only film videos or maybe photos, and that's all. Yes, it's actually good also, but the quality of the photos and videos of such glasses are very poor. And of course the Chinese, so it means that the battery doesn't hold for much time. They are huge, they are ugly, and something like this. So this is a 0 for me. For a 10, I will place such intelligent projects. Projects like Meta Orion or Google Glasses. Why I call it projects? Because it still doesn't release. They still improving it, making something with it, and it's still like a prototypes, not real devices. And this device I'd place for a 5. So if you grade from 0, the glasses on the 0 can do nothing, to 10, which potential glasses that can do everything, these glasses will be on the 5. Because at first they can shoot videos and photos, and the quality is real good. I was really surprised with the quality of filming content for my channel, also filming some content for when we went to the vacations on the New Year. It was very simple. You can film everywhere because they looks like natural glasses that people just taken with themselves. These are actually the sunglasses. They have many different models. The 3 models with a shape, different shape, and this is Wayfarer model. And also they have different colors, and also they have different lenses installed there. So you can buy something that you need to buy. And of course, if you want to shoot some videos inside some buildings or for vlogging or something like this, you should buy clear like mine, or you should buy with transition lenses. So transition lenses, they dependent from the sunlight, because sunlight gives us ultraviolet. They capturing the ultraviolet, and they have a reaction, chemical reaction, so they become more darker. It's not like real sunglasses, but it's more comfortable. And inside, somewhere in the car, somewhere in the different places, like in the hotel, in the cafe, they just still and transparent, and it's very, very simple and it's very useful. Okay, at first I want to mention that I like the quality of videos and photos. It's not the best quality like on the latest Samsung or iPhones or Google Pixels, but it's still usable and very usable, and you can even print these photos. You can show it to your friends, and of course you can upload it into the internet, to Facebook or YouTube or something like this. So if you're working with a video and you are content creator, like creating content on Facebook, on Instagram and YouTube Shorts or TikTok maybe, they are best that you can buy for this moment. And if you just even not some kind of this person, you can also buy it for vacations, because it's so simple. You can take a camera with yourself with many lenses. You can take your cell phone, but when you're wearing these glasses, your hands are free and you can do everything you need, and you have picture from the first view, so you can show something to your friends, like this case of these glasses, which actually is a very nice case. It's leather case that can charge them, because yeah, of course they need to be charged because they're working with electricity, and this case can charge it 4 times, I think, something like 4 times, so you can use it for all the day. Actually, what I don't like with these glasses, at first, I don't like that it works only 3 minutes. I understand why, because they are too small and they are so thin. So Meta made just at first they made for 1 minute maximum, and they upgraded the firmware and added 3 minutes filming. That's great, I think. For me, 3 minutes, it's a little bit, not so much, but it's okay. You can film 3 minutes and then hold the button again, and 3 minutes again and again and again. And also, they have 32 gigabytes of memory, so you can film something like 100 videos with 3 minutes, and it will be really long. And if you're walking somewhere, 3 minutes, it's okay for you, yes. Sometimes I use it to unpack some package, because when I'm buying something on Amazon, something not cheap, when I'm unpacking it, I have a proof, so I'm filming it on a video, my hands are free, I can prove that everything is okay, or if something will be not okay, if the parcel will be damaged, I will have video of unpacking. I will have video, and I can send it after to Amazon and say, okay guys, you can see that I just unpacked this package and something was damaged there. So it's not my fault. So I'm turning it back. That's one of the cases that you can use it. And also you have a much more cases. What I don't like, the second I don't like in these glasses, that they have only vertical format of photos and videos, so you cannot choose what to film: horizontal, like you watching now, yes, and vertical, so they shoot only vertical videos. I understand why Meta made this, because these are glasses for like light vlogging or something like this, not for a serious job, but for filming some actual moments of your life or something like this. And they make these glasses closer to their platforms, because on Meta you have Reels option to add Reels, and everybody watches nowadays content on their cell phones, and the aspect ratio of a screen of the cell phone is like vertical. Yes, I understand. But I'm filming much content to YouTube, and when I'm filming something to YouTube, and as for me, it would be great to have opportunity to choose aspect ratio. Meta should do like Insta360 company in their product, which called Insta360 Go 2. Because they made a sensor, it is rounded, so it's a round sensor, and it capture all the picture, and the picture is very wide, and it's a circle. And then you can choose what aspect ratio you need. So you can choose vertical, you can choose horizontal, because the matrix is because the sensor is round, and it's much bigger than the caption. you can choose every different aspect ratio if you want to do that, but here I cannot do that, and it's a pity because they have so nice quality. And actually, as for me, I prefer horizontal video because I'm filming much more for YouTube videos, and I don't film many shorts, or I don't filming TikTok at all. And this for me, it would be great if they make next generation with a horizontal aspect ratio, or with aspect ratio that I can choose. Because some people asking a question how to film horizontally, and if you will do this, you can actually crop the picture. Of course you can do that, but the quality will reduce for 2 or 3 times, and you don't need that because the sensor is so small. And I think Meta just just take all the juices from this sensor. Okay, what else I mentioned about this model of glasses which I own? Because I have glasses with a transparent transition lenses. So when you're walking somewhere on the sunlight, the lenses they starting to become darker. That's not a 100% dark, but it's still okay for me. It's good. But when I'm driving with these lenses in the car, there are one problem, because the car also have lenses. Yeah, the car also have glass here and here, and when the sun comes through this glass, ultraviolet, it doesn't pass so much. So when I'm driving in the car, these glasses always stays transparent. So this is a little problem, because if it's very sunny in the car, it's just useless when they are transparent. Yes, and I prefer not to use it when I'm driving, because I have the other glasses with with the dark lenses. It's much more comfortable for me. So in my case, I'm using these glasses just for filming videos and photos. But also, these are intelligent glasses. They have Meta AI inside and built, and we have also a few problems here, because I'm now in France, and in Europe and actually in France it doesn't work. When I'm asking something from the Meta AI, it said, "I'm sorry, I'm not available in your country." And that's a little bit a problem, because when you buy a product, you're waiting that everything works, and when you already bought it, it says, yeah, it works, but in the USA, because only in USA we are testing now. So they are testing now this Meta AI, and I just connected this with VPN, so you can cheat a little bit. You can connect VPN and choose United States location in VPN, and then you can install application, and it will think that you are in the United States, and it will allow you to use your AI. And then after it, I had a few days with this AI. And what I can say, this is a brilliant feature that you can use, because you can say something like, "Hey Meta, take a picture." So it took a picture, and then you can say, "Hey Meta, look what I see now."
Asking about what you see isn't available yet in your region.
So it said to me now, asking about what you see is not available in your region. Because now I'm using just a French application. So, but in the first few days, which I use these glasses, as I said, I just installed VPN and I choose location USA. And in this location, everything just works fine. So when you're asking AI to tell you what do you see, and you showing somewhere in your field of view, it's like mostly it's very wide, so you cannot miss. It takes a picture of this thing, and it says you, oh, this is a case for your glasses or something like this, and you can ask to tell more about it, or you can ask to translate some some text, you can ask to translate some words, but now it doesn't work here in France, in Europe, so it still doesn't work. Only one thing that starts working now here, I guess, it's when you're asking something to your glasses. So, hey Meta, how much citizens live in Paris?
The estimated population of Paris is approximately 2,048,472 residents.
So it answered me, and it's great because you can ask something that you don't know and some information, so it's like a Google on your head, and you don't need to take your cell phone, you don't need to type something, some text, and asking your cell phone what is this. So it's very nice option, and but the minus is that it doesn't have all the possibilities that comes from the factory, so it doesn't still have some photos recognition and etc etc etc. I think it's because of the laws, of the European laws, and when they will regulate this, I think everything will work, but we need to wait. We need to wait and to wait. Okay, so I like all these options that we have in these glasses. These are not so superior glasses, but we don't have a prototypes like a Meta Orion. It's still a prototype because it's cost so high. It will cost so high when it will be released. More than $1,000. I'm not ready to buy just the sunglasses with this price. I'm ready to buy for 400, 500. It is okay for me, but for 1,000 it's a little bit, no, it's not cheap, it's expensive for me. But technology is developing, and I guess that sometimes past it will cost less, and everybody will everybody will wear glasses, and it will be like smartphones now for us, because yeah, we're using smartphones, but they are huge, and we need also to carry them with ourselves. Much easier to use glasses. Actually, if we will have very nice displays that will project the picture just in your eye, and glasses will be much more interesting, much more useful for us, because we just it's so many cases to use. But even now, with even this model of glasses, and even we have many cases, because we can film photos, we can film videos, we can ask something from AI, and it will answer it. So, and also these are very nice device that you can use like headphones. For me, it's not so great quality of the sound, because it's a little bit quiet, but still you can do that. You can use it like a headphones. So this device are many cases to use. And also you can change the lenses. So if you have prescription for your eyes, if you don't see some objects good, and doctors say you need to carry glasses, you can buy special lenses and input it here, and it will be I think more convenient for you. And also, of course, it's smart glasses, but it is a glasses, and they looks very nice, and they look stylish. And also, if the battery is low and they turned off, you can use it like a simple glasses somewhere on the streets, somewhere on the beach when you're on vacation, somewhere on other places. Why not? It's good, and it's a great option, because Ray-Ban, it's a great company that produces very nice glasses. And also, I can say that original Ray-Bans without metal, they cost like more than a half of this. So it's pretty expensive, and it's a great brand that you can buy. So what's in the end? I highly recommend you to buy these glasses. They're very nice. At first, they are very stylish. They have everything that you need to make fun, to make content, and even if you are not a person who work with videos and photos, you can use it so many cases. Like I said, unpacking some packages, or filming something you do, sewing, maybe you film something like also playing with the kids. It's so great. It's tiny and it have nice camera, and nobody look like when I'm going to walk with my huge camera, everybody looks like, oh, he have a camera, he will make some shots, and they run away. But when I'm wearing these glasses, everybody is pretty calm, and everything is okay, and everything, like, people has very nice reaction for filming videos on the glasses, because it's not a huge camera. You can use it in museums, you can use it somewhere, which of course where it's legal, but also you have this white LED light here to show that you're filming something, to show that the other people that you're filming them, because it's not a criminal it's not a crime to film people, but they must know about that if you're in a public place also. And of course, when you filming somebody, that person need to know that. But it's still very wonderful device, because it's just a simple glasses. It's so thin and it's so nice, and you can use it so much cases. And I think you must have this device. It's wonderful. I like it. But also it have minuses, which I said. For me, it's not so critical, but for you maybe yes. And maybe it's you need to wait another generation of glasses, but I like this one, and I don't need to wait to have a fun with this. So thank you guys for watching. If you have some questions, please write in the comments. I already said that it's not a review, just my opinion, and just my case of use of these glasses. And actually, if you want, next time I want to tell you about another one very interesting device, about Osmo Pocket 3. It's also a very nice device which you can use to film such videos. Thank you very much guys for a subscription, and have a nice day.